Why you should get a pool if you live in Florida. Let's be real. If you live in Florida and don't have a pool, you're missing out on one of the biggest perks of the Sunshine State lifestyle. Picture this. You step outside, the sun is warm on your face, palm trees are swaying, and in just a few steps, you're sliding into your own very own sparkling pool. Owning a pool home in Florida isn't just a luxury. It's a way to turn every day into a mini vacation. Number 1, you can cool off year-round. With Florida's sunny, subtropical climate, a pool isn't just for summer. It's perfect almost every month of the year. On sweltering July afternoons, you'll thank yourself for skipping the crowded public pool and having your own private oasis just steps away. Your backyard paradise. Add some lounge chairs, a few umbrellas, and maybe even a tiki bar, and suddenly you're living in your own private resort. You can sip iced tea by the water, watch the sunset from a floaty, or turn on some music and make it a party for one. Built-in entertainment hub. From birthday parties to casual weekend barbecues, a pool instantly becomes the centerpiece for fun. Friends and family will always want to stop by, and the kids or grandkids will happily trade screen time for splash time. It's great for fitness and stress relief. Swimming is a low-impact, full-body workout that's easy on the joints and excellent for cardio. Plus, there's nothing more relaxing after a busy day than a quiet evening swim under the stars. Next, it adds value to your home. In Florida's real estate market, pool homes are highly desirable. Buyers often have pool on their must-have list, meaning your home can be easier to sell and command a higher price down the road. Types of pools and which are easiest to maintain. Not all pools are created equal. Here are the most common types you'll find in Florida. Concrete or granite pools, extremely durable and customizable in shape and depth, but they require more maintenance and resurfacing every 10 to 15 years. Fiberglass pools. Smooth surfaces make them resistant to algae and easier to clean. They're lower maintenance and heat up faster, but size and shape are more limited. Vinyl liner pools. Budget-friendly and smooth to the touch, but liners need replacing every 7 to 10 years. Saltwater pools. These can be fiberglass, concrete, or vinyl, but use a salt chlorination system. They're gentler on skin and eyes, and they often have lower yearly chemical cost. Easiest to maintain? If you're looking for the least amount of hassle, a fiberglass saltwater pool is often considered the easiest combo. Smooth service, fewer chemicals, and lower algae growth. Thinking about buying your dream Florida pool home? Whether you're dreaming up a modern saltwater oasis, a classic concrete pool with a waterfall, or a family-friendly setup for weekend cannonballs, I can help you find the perfect fit. Call me at 321-480-7662, or you can browse the latest listings at margaretsells.dreamhomes.com, or you can take a virtual tour on my YouTube channel at Dream Home Space Coast, Florida. Your pool flute is waiting. Let's go find it. Margaret Klein signing off. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and have an amazing day.